So your business framing for this, because you should be framing this in business, is that you have a company that doesn't have any access control right now. Well, you have a very physical, very human-driven access control. So how do you change that? Well, we got to look at how we're doing it now. Okay, physical cards, cool. How can I do that? Well, I can come up with a barcode. You could probably come up with a QR code instead, right? If you really want to sound nice and hip, it's a QR code, not a barcode, right? Okay, so now you need a QR reader. Okay, well, how do you do that in code? Well, excuse me, you need a QR reader. You need a physical like gun or scanner or something, right? Okay, cool. So now you have these QR codes. Well, how are you going to interpret those QR codes, right? How are you going to mark when people, what do you call it? Their membership expires? Like, how are you going to invalidate QR codes, right? That's all part of access control, right? How do you grant access? How do you revoke access? Are you going to have different levels of access? Maybe some people signed up for a plan when they can only come to weekend classes. They can't come to weekday classes, right? So now you got different levels of access, right? Just start Googling access control because that's what you're doing. You're not working on a data science project. You're working on an access control project.